Checking credit scores on a standard bank app is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you haven't already, download and install the Standard Bank mobile banking app on your smartphone or tablet. You can find the app on the Google Play Store for Android devices or the Apple App Store for iOS devices. Open the Standard Bank app and log in using your username and password. If you haven't registered for online banking or mobile banking with Standard Bank, you will need to do so first before you can access your credit score. Once you're logged into the app, navigate to the section that allows you to view your credit score or credit profile. This section may be labeled as Credit Score, Credit Profile, My Finances, or something similar. You can typically find it in the main menu or under the Accounts or My Profile tab. In the Credit Score section, you should be able to see your current credit score as well as additional details about your credit profile, such as factors affecting your score, credit utilization, payment history, and more. Standard Bank may provide additional features or notifications related to your credit scores, such as alerts for changes in your score, personalized tips to improve your credit score, or credit monitoring services. Be sure to check for any updates or notifications within the app. Take the time to view and understand your credit score and the factors influencing it. A good credit score can be important for various financial activities, such as applying for loans, mortgages, credit cards, and more.